And we're bringing the Supreme Court ruling closer to home now. What could this mean for local universities? Now to your side's Caitlin Richards joins us now after speaking with a political science professor and finding what lawmakers are saying. So Caitlin, what does this all mean for students?
Ken, I'm told there are other factors that can still give students a meaningful sense of diversity in universities, even as the affirmative action ruling is now ending.
Students, especially who are African American or Hispanic, have often had shall we say, extra consideration in applying, especially at selective and elite universities, because otherwise those students would be significantly underrepresented there.
NC State University political science professor Stephen Green says this isn't an easy issue, which brings core values into conflict, adding America has a history of discrimination.
And we know that America is still trying to work to actually achieve equality. On the other hand, we're a nation that is very much based on individualism and individual responsibility. So the idea of evaluating somebody based on their race, absent evaluating them as an individual, right, flies into conflict with that individualistic ethic.
Governor Roy Cooper says in a statement in part, quote, "The decision undermines decades of progress made across the country to reduce systemic discrimination." Republican Senator Tom Tillis also taking to social media saying, quote, "The Supreme Court made the right decision today. College should not be able to discriminate against applicants based on the color of their skin." Green says for the average person applying to colleges such as UNC Wilmington or ECU, this ruling will have little impact on how universities admit students.
This is a big deal. This is something people should pay attention to. But I don't want people to lose the fact that this is actually not an issue at the vast majority of institutions of higher education in the United States, right? The vast majority admit most students who apply, regardless of race.
Now, these programs are known to increase the number of minority students taking race into account during the admission process. But now colleges will have to decide on other ways to provide diversity on campuses. In studio, Caitlin Richards, 9 on your side.